Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Life is never easy and it is filled with temptations and distractions. Every day we have to face so many challenges. We have to make choices, we have to make right decisions. And decisions have their own consequences. In modern day lifestyle, it's important to understand that we need to develop or inculcate in us a very important ability of being mentally tough. So today in this lecture, we'll be discussing about some of the important tips that mentally tough people do or have in them to get the most out of their life. Number one, these people have great willpowers. In life, we will come across many instances where we will have to choose between entertainment and enjoyment and play and work. We will have to choose between our temptations and the hard things that we need to do. We will have to choose between social media, instant gratification, and some of the toughest works that require lot of concentration and they appear to be boring. These are some of the tough choices that we need to learn, and we need to harness a strong willpower. We have to choose between work and play. We have to choose between short-term gratification and long-term achievements and goals. Nobody in the world has a strong willpower. You develop it as a result of a process over a long period of time. It is a battle between our rational mind and our temptations. Rational mind always gives us the suggestions to stop, to work, and to concentrate on things that are important to us. Temptation takes us towards the instant gratification route. And when you take that route, you end up making lazy, impulsive, and undisciplined decisions in your life. And to win this mental battle, we need to develop a strong willpower. Day by day, slowly and gradually, you have to start picking up yourself and choose things that are important for you. It starts with the small hurdles. Your mind will tell you to exercise, go out, and take care of your body. And your instant gratification will tell you that you can watch Netflix now or you can watch social media now. Take the right decision one day at a time and small decisions at a time, and slowly and gradually you will find that the willpower goes on developing and enhancing. With consistency and momentum, you develop the willpower, self-control, and self-discipline. Habit number 2 is true commitment. You have to understand what gets you out every day and what gets you going every time. What are the things that ultimately you enjoy doing? What are the things that you want to change? Mentally strong people begin with a clear vision in their mind. Vision of a future career, vision of creating something, vision of having a future, vision of having to learn something new, vision of having to share with the people and with the world. Whatever that important cause may be, mentally strong people are truly committed to their vision every day and every time. Number 3 is understanding your emotions. This oftentimes gets neglected. Mentally strong people have a deep understanding about their own selves, who they actually are. Mental toughness comes from this deep understanding. These are the people who have deeply reflected on their life, on their values, on their beliefs, and on their vision of the future. They have a complete understanding about their own self. We need to learn emotional intelligence by connecting with the others. Don't be afraid to explore yourself. Don't hesitate to put out yourself in front of the world, because this will help you grow emotionally and mentally strong. Next is taking the hard road or the path. This comes from a very important poem of Robert Frost, that is The Road Less Traveled. Mentally strong people are unsatisfied hiding in their own bubbles. They don't hide their personalities, their insecurities, and their weaknesses and stay jammed at a place in their comfort zones. They are the kind of people who want to put themselves to test, who want to put their abilities to test, and who want to put their understanding and their ideas to test. They are the people who have learned the beauty of risk taking. And they are the one who generally take the road less traveled. They are not too calculative about success or failure. They are not too calculative about their self-image. They are not too calculative about what the people may think. They just take themselves, their ideas, plan it out and work it out nicely, and put all of that in front of the world. Remember, whenever life gives you an opportunity to try out something new, don't back down. This is the opportunity to rise to the occasion. Take the long path, take the long route, or take the road that is less traveled. And lastly, it is self-pity. Don't pity on yourself. Mentally strong people don't pity themselves. Self-pity is a trap which every one of us has fell into. Remember guys, self-pity is the enemy for progress. And by self-pitying on ourselves, we are putting ourselves into the comfort zone by ignoring our problems and fearing to confront them. So if you want to be mentally stronger, emotional confrontation is unavoidable. Practice challenging your fears, challenge your weaknesses, and even challenging your inner insecurities. Don't pity yourself, don't make excuses. Every challenge is an opportunity to become more stronger. Every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger and to stand up to your fears. This is what will make you mentally stronger. Be mentally strong. This world requires mentally strong people. Hope that this video has helped you and hope you have liked our content. Do feel like subscribing to our channel and press the notification bell icon so that you are notified whenever we come up with a new video. Hope to see you soon with the next video. Till then, thank you very much.